Alright, so I got all those screws in. This is nice one solid block here of servos, 5 servos, one for each finger. And that will go in the arm. I still got to add a couple guide pieces on there. There's a piece that goes here on the front. And that's a guide. And then there's a secondary guide. It's over here. And that will go on here. I'm not sure which direction that goes. I have to check that out. I think it's that way. But that'll just guide the tendons back to. Actually, I think it's that way. Yeah, and that'll help guide the tendons back to these servos back here. Yeah, so I just realized that before I put these servos in, at least 2 of these, I have to mount it into the arm. So I'm going to have to take these back out because the mounting screw is actually below this one. You know, it's like 3 step forward, 2 step back, and it's this dance. I should have thought of that ahead of time. I've done it like 4 or 5 times, that exact same thing. It's just the nature of the beast, I guess. So I'm going to take those things out, and I'll be back in a minute. We'll toss this into the arm.